Hey guys, if you're running Windows and want Anthropic's Claude Code agent working directly inside Visual Studio, setting it up is pretty easy and takes only a few clicks. So firstly, of course, let's just grab the official extension directly inside VSCode. So in your Visual Studio Code, just open up your extensions. Then in the search bar right here, just search for Claude Code. Okay, and find the official extension published directly by Anthropic. You can see the publisher right here. It should be this check mark, and next you'll have the Anthropic. Then just click on it, press on this blue install button, and you're good to go. Just wait a few seconds for Windows to complete the setup. Then in the next step, we can just link your account and get your codebase ready for Claude. So look at the left activity bar and click the new Spark icon. Then you just click Login and just authenticate using your Claude account in your browser. Once connected, you can just open up your projects folder and then type in init/init. And Claude will analyze your project structure and automatically generate the claude.amd file to guide all future coding tasks. And if you want to run Claude straight from VS Code's integrated terminal, press Ctrl+ to open the terminal and run npm install. Let me see, we should have just npm install command. And also write while editing code on Windows, press Alt-K, and this will instantly attach your active file and highlighted lines directly into your Claude prompts. That's it for this one, guys. Enjoy.